Welcome back to Universal Levels. I hope you guys are staying safe and doing well. And today's topic is divisive to say the least. Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, the player, the legend, and the manager. I have already had my say when it comes to Ole and his coaching staff, and you guys can check that out in the previous video that we did. But today, it's all about you. We asked you guys to send in your thoughts about the manager, and this is what some of you had to say.
So I have a bit of a mixed opinion on Oli. I'm definitely Oli in, and let me start with all the good things he's done. The attacking style of play is great, really entertaining football, especially after the last 8-10 years we've had really abysmal football, and we're finally getting to where we want to be in that department. Transfers have been great, I think. Players coming in, even though they aren't as many as I'd like, they're good players, and we've cleared all the deadwood as well.
Personally, I'm Ole in, but I totally understand the people who are saying that Ole must be out because of course you can see Thomas Tuchel, who in 4 months at Chelsea got them a UCL trophy. But to think about it that way, Thomas Tuchel didn't have a squad that Ole has. Look at Chelsea, look at their bench. Every manager at Chelsea has got every player he ever wanted. So I think that's the main fault at United, and that's why I think that Ole should be in, because Ole got us third in his second full season, and behind Man City and Liverpool, the two best teams Europe had to offer in that year.
I am definitely a supporter of Ole, and I feel that under his leadership we all have witnessed the rise of Manchester United in EPL. We are playing attacking football, we are signing quality players, but there are few shortcomings that I feel we need to address if we want to win a major trophy in upcoming years.
The Europa League final is still like a dagger to my heart, so it'll be really tough not to rant on this one, but I should try. Frankly, if you see this season, it has been better than expected, and overall there has been a lot of progress compared to where we were when Mourinho left us, and generally in the style of football that we are playing. So I'm happy with Ole in that respects, but one thing that really keeps hurting me is our failure to win high pressure knockout games, which is costing us in the cups, and it hurts even more since we have been trophyless for 4 years now. Partly I think a reason for that can be he's not getting the signings we require.
But I'm not too happy with the defensive set pieces. Defense in general, I don't think the coaching is up to the mark. Even with Mick Phelan there, I don't think we're doing what we can do with the players that we have. I think Maguire and Lindelof are good players, and they can be at the level where we can challenge for a title maybe, but there seems to be an issue with cohesion or something somewhere. Secondly, I think the substitutions have a lot to be wanting, although I think he's improving in that department, Oli. He's making a few more changes, and maybe when he's more confident on our bench, he can do better with that. And finally, I think we need to be winning more silverware. It's been 2 years, and for a club in our position, that's not good enough.
So what I think is, if Ole had been awarded with the proper CB, a CDM and a right winger in that window, we could be talking about progress and trophies. Because right now we are all speaking about how much progress we have made, and people are of course frustrated over that we are only talking about progress that we have made. There are no actually trophies to show. But I think progress is not about how much we have come far as a team, but what better players we signed. That also comes all into that. So that's my opinion about that. Also, I think Ole is a decent manager. Of course, he needs to work on his tactics. He's a bit conserved, I would say. So if he gets his tactics right, if he gets his backroom staff, get in a defensive coach, then I think most of our problems at United will be solved. And Ole's man management is very brilliant, because you can see Shaw, Rashford, Martial, Aaron Wan-Bissaka, Harry Maguire, all of them have had their best seasons under Ole. So these are some reasons that I'm Ole in.
We need to get a new coach with defensive background, as we are conceding too many goals. We also need to get a new centre back who can come and give competition to Maguire and Victor, as currently there is no one to challenge them. We also need to get a right back who can come and improve the game of Aaron Wan-Bissaka. And there is also a significant need to get a central defensive midfielder, as Matic has become old and he can't play 50-60 matches in a season. And Fred and Scott McTominay are kind of box-to-box midfielders, so we need a specialist for that position.
We really need a centre back as well as a clinical striker. Cavani, I think one season more he'll be there, but after that we really need to look for a long-term option, as well as a right winger. So I hope he gets the backing that he requires to be successful, and I think really he needs to focus on his game management in big games, because he needs to stop being so defensive and try to be more proactive and make the substitutions, which ironically, being such a great substitute during his career as a player, he's not as great as making the substitutions currently. So that's a possible area of improvement for Ole. Hoping for the best next season.
I would personally like to thank each and every one of them for sending in their videos and putting their point across, because guess what? That is what Universal Devils is all about. And you guys can do the same thing. All you have to do is record a short video or write to us about any topic related to Manchester United and simply email it to us. It's that simple. The details are mentioned below. And that's the end of the video. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe and spread the word. Like, just spread the word. I'm done for the day. Bye bye.